Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, Watch 4 Classic, and Galaxy Buds 2 pricing has been leaked. Samsung Galaxy S22 series is unlikely to support 65 watt of fast charging. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So guys, still we are 4 weeks away from reportedly jam-packed Galaxy Unpacked event, but despite Samsung best offer, 2 foldable smartphones, 2 Wear OS based smartwatches, 1 inexpensive high-end handset, and Galaxy Buds Pro expected to be going official on August 11 are already as transparent as glass. The design, most of the key specification and features, and even the commercial release date and price point of all these devices has reportedly been leaked, rumored, and discussed of late. But of course, nothing is certain until the company make it happen on next month. Given that Tizen-powered Galaxy Watch 3 is undoubtedly the best smartwatch available today, as well as one of the overall best smartwatches money can buy, we never expected the Galaxy Watch Duo to come even that cheap. After all, Samsung and Google are initiating the Wear OS based on One UI watch platform with a big step forward in terms of everything from app support to multiple device connectivity, and all those recent leaked renders make the Galaxy Watch 4, especially the Watch 4 Classic, look undeniably better than essential of all the forerunners. With that being said, the MindSmart prices alongside with the Ishan Agarwal has given us the pricing of the upcoming Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. Instead of starting price of whopping €350, the Galaxy Watch 4 could end up costing as little as €269 and €299 in 40 and 40mm sizes respectively, thus undercutting the $400 and up Galaxy Watch 3. Naturally, the stylish Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is pretty much guaranteed to start at a higher price point than its sibling, but you may not have to spend €470 and up for that bad boy either. Instead, the pricing is going to be €369 up to €399 for 42mm and 44mm devices respectively. So moving forward towards the Galaxy Buds 2, its pricing has also been revealed, and in contrast to the high-end Galaxy Buds Pro, they were costing around €229 in countries like France and Italy, while costing $199 in the US. Which means that Galaxy Buds 2 could cost even less in the US. Obviously, we don't know anything about the overall audio quality of these as yet unannounced Galaxy Buds 2, but even so, $150 price tag would totally rock the industry, as well as the list of best wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation. Although the Galaxy S22 launch is quite some time off, rumors about the 2022 bound flagship have already started to emerge online. Now, renowned Weibo leaker Ice Universe via MyFix Guide has claimed that in starting with the Galaxy S22 series will support a fast charging of 65 watt. While that seems like logical step up of the existing 45 watt solution offering by current generation of Samsung hardware, it is unlikely that Samsung will take that pledge just yet. Besides, it hasn't been that long since Galaxy Note 7 battery fiasco, and if there is one part of the smartphone where Samsung wouldn't mind staying behind the industry standard, it is battery. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.